Got a package from A&S. I already know what it is. This is the CTRL2 loader that I pre-ordered back in May. Or actually no. I pre-ordered this back in, I think it was March. But anyway, send me some stickers, invoice, and that's the box for the loader. I got the black with the transparent purple top half. We'll get this thing open up and check it out. Alright. So opening up, this is what we're looking at the top. It's really nice packaging actually. It's got foam on there inside the cardboard. And that is the loader. It comes with a speed feed already installed. And then you got your rain lid in there. What else we got? Any more goodies underneath here? Oh, that's it. Just the loader, the speed feed, and the rain lid. And it's got an extra fin for the speed feed just in case any of these break. So let's check this thing out real quick. So take it apart, you just lift back here and then pull it away from the front of that. There's a top shell. It's really more like a magenta kind of color than it is like a purple, but pretty sweet. And you got your feed ramps come pre-installed on the CTRL2 loader, and they did away with that big drive cone that they had in the CTRL1. So now you got this really nice low profile soft rubber fingers on there. The feed ramp, same deal as the top shell. You'll pop this little tab here. Tray comes right out. 3 AAA batteries. Sorry, 3 AA batteries. My bad. And so yeah, easy cleaning. Just like that, and you're ready to rock and roll again. So I know that CTRL2 loader comes already with a speed feed pre-installed, but I didn't really like how the purples didn't match each other, like at all. So I went ahead and spoiled myself, and I got the HK Army all aluminum speed feed for it. So that's what this is here. I went with the black one because obviously I didn't like the way that purple didn't match. Why would I risk getting the purple anodized one and have it not match even more? So I went with the black just to be safe. So this thing, and I think I might have dropped a piece when I opened it. Nope. Nope. So anyway, here it is. Metal speed feed. These are super soft springs, so paint will have no problem falling through there, but once it goes through, it ain't coming back out. So yeah, pretty stoked about this. Pop this on here real quick actually and see how it looks. So take it off, I got that little tab right there. You just push that in, pops right off. And then putting the new one on is the exact opposite. Clips right on. Close it up. Nice. There we go. I like that a lot better. It looks a lot more sleek with the black speed feed on there. Alright. Now we can get it on the gun and see how it looks. Alright, so I went ahead and got out the whole setup. We're running the Empire Axe 2.0 with the purple and black color scheme finish. I went ahead and purchased the Redline OLED board for it, so we got that going in there. I have Ninja NSL2 77 cubic inch 4500 tank, and the regulator we're running on that is the HK Army Aerolite 2, also with purple and black color scheme. The barrel kit that we went with for this setup is the HK Army Nexus laser barrel kit. It's the purple black fade. And finally we got that Control 2 loader that we've been waiting for a couple of months now. Purple and black. So there it is. So now I got this thing fully set up. I'm going to throw some batteries in the loader real quick. I'm going to put some paint in it, take it outside and set up a target, and we'll see how this bad boy performs. We're outside with the gun. We're all set up, got the batteries in there. I got about one pod. It's a little bit less than a full pod, probably about 130 rounds. I'm not going to shoot them all off. It's getting a little bit late. I've got neighbors. I don't want to upset anybody. It's a little bit windy, but this is going to be a test for the speed feed and the hopper itself to see how they perform together. So paint went in there really nicely. Absolutely nothing hanging up on that. No paint's definitely going to fall out of that. So now I'll put a couple of rounds through it, turn the hopper on. Turn the gun on. And we're just going to shoot this little plywood piece right here. Probably shoot from this side, yeah. See a little bit better. I'm only shooting 8 balls per second because this is what I was shooting the last time I went out and played, but so far I'm liking this, man. I think that's going to be enough shooting it for today. Getting a little bit late. It's pretty noisy, so I'll take it back inside and I'll go over a couple more things real quick. So back inside with the hopper is when I'll go over a couple of things real quick. This being transparent is kind of nice that I can go over this part without taking it apart. And you can kind of see those the feed ramps that they installed in there activating. When you're fully loaded up and all your paint is in there, it weighs down those ramps pretty nice. And then once you start getting lower on paint and it all starts feeding back towards here, those ramps pop back up and it helps force all of the paint into the feed. So you've got it on, you've got your little indicator light down here. So I'm going to give you a side view of this thing dumping some paint out the bottom, and then I'll give you a top view from through the speed feed. So here's how this thing feeds. One ball that hung up in there, that's it. I wouldn't even really say that it hung up in there. It's probably just because you hold it completely still. I mean, something's gonna stay where it's at, but when you're out there moving around, nothing's probably gonna hang up in there. So, and here's another quick little thing. We're gonna review this speed feed from HK Army as well. I really like how gentle these springs are, because I mean I can pour paint a little bit above it. Now, one ball rolled off, but that's because I hit the lip there. It goes in there really nice and easy, and it's not going to come back out of there once it's in there. I mean, you can roll around upside down with this. It's not going to come back out. So, we'll get that top view of this. Alright. So the only things that I don't like about the Control 2 loader so far, and that's only the purple transparent black, or the black transparent purple combination itself, is I don't like that purple speed feed that they put on there. It just doesn't match the shell at all. I mean, it's a completely different purple. It just looks a little bit weird. I think they would have been better off just putting their black speed feed on here. It would have looked pretty good, but that's just my personal opinion. Anyway, that's the Control 2 loader. We're going to be playing out in Sherwood Forest for the Indiana Super Game on June 22nd. So look forward to that video from the Salty Peanuts. We'll be out there and we'll put this thing through its paces for the first time when we actually go out to a field with it. So look forward to that video. For now, we'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.